Is it all right to start your own thing and freelance after college instead of working at a company? Gary Vee says this a lot, focus on learning instead of earning. Yeah. I think that you should have side hustles all the time, whether you're, a high school student or whether you're in university, college, or working for somebody else, or even retired. Always have side hustles. Always, always, always. Because those side hustles will turn into something full-time if you keep working at it. Or if you start mini side hustles, a lot might fail, but one might nail it and be kind of touched by God, so to speak, so that you can kind of live your own life in your own terms and start your own company. So I think you should always have many side hustles at the same time. And in terms of working for a company, as much as I love startups and working for yourself, and as much as I dislike sometimes working in big corporations, actually all the time, not sometimes, I think it's actually okay to start a career at a big company because you can learn what to do and what not to do. And because these companies, a lot of the times, they have these amazing rotation programs. I'll give you an example. In Canada, in Toronto, the Royal Bank of Canada, when you graduate business school and you go there, you rotate for 2 years in different departments, investment banking, sales and trading, asset management, etc. And big companies have, a lot of money. They can afford to train you. And that's like getting another degree while being paid. And so I recommend trying that out if you're curious about certain businesses, because you can learn how to run them better. And so Michael Bloomberg, for example, who I just found out there's a press report saying he's not going to run for president, but he created Bloomberg Technologies, a software company that kind of runs data sources on Wall Street. He worked at Merrill Lynch for years, and he was even fired by Merrill Lynch. And so his way of getting revenge was to become a billionaire, starting this company of his. But he learned a lot, and I don't think Bloomberg as a company would exist today if he didn't learn by working at Merrill Lynch first.